Hey y'all, and welcome back to our kitchen. In tonight's recipe, we're making fried chicken patties. You don't have to go to a lot of trouble. If you like easy, simple dinners, this might be what you're looking for. And we're going to try to make this one a little bit more healthier tonight and cut back on the carbs. We're going to use pork rinds instead of flour. Y'all know that canned chicken that you buy? Those work great with this recipe. Get 2 cans and it'll make you around 6 to 7 patties. Okay y'all, for these fried chicken patties tonight, we're keeping it simple, easy, and back to the old school living is how I call it, back to the basics. Using just what we have to save money without trying to spend a lot. We're going to make these fried chicken patties tonight out of our canned chicken. You can use store-bought canned chicken. I have done it with that canned chicken before. It works great. 1 egg, around 1.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. We're going with about 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese, some pork rinds, original, no flavor to them, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. It don't have to be fancy to still make it a great dinner. Let me show you how. Okay y'all, we're using our canned chicken, so we've got to drain it. And the same goes if you're using store-bought cans that you get. Just take the tops off, drain all the juice out, and even make sure you can even mash down on it whenever it's in the drainer with like a bowl or something to make sure you get all your juice out of that chicken. Okay y'all, that's what the chicken's turned out to look like after I got it drained. So just make sure you drain your chicken real good because you don't want any of that juice left in it. It'll make your patties not work out that good. Okay, now to the chicken, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of Duke's mayonnaise. And we're just eyeballing it. It don't have to be perfect, but that's around 2 tablespoons right there. And now we're going to add our egg. And I'm going to check my egg before I put it in there because I don't want to accidentally have a bad egg and add it to all my chicken. And now I'm going to put my cheddar cheese in there. And if you have any other kind of cheese, you can use Parmesan, you could use mozzarella, whatever you've got. We're just going to eyeball it and put about 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Some salt, and just use your own judgment of how you like it salty, and your black pepper. Ever how much your family likes, that's what you need to do. And now to that, we're going to add around 1/2 cup of these pork rinds instead of flour. And what I done too was I took a little, like a cup, and laid that bag down, and I tried to break those pork rinds up. And now we're just going to give all this a good mix. Get it good and combined together. And that right there looks like that's going to make some real good patties. Okay, we're going to use this platter to make our patties and lay them on so they can dry just a little bit before you start putting them in the oil to fry them. I've already got me around probably 3 tablespoons of coconut oil that we're going to let start heating up in this iron skillet while we're making our patties. We'll use this to put them on, and we're just going to put our hands in here, they're clean, and we're just going to start forming our patties just like you would do salmon patties or fried tuna patties or even potato patties. Just form them up around the size you want them, and just make sure you get them a little bit thin. You don't want them too thick because you want them to cook all the way through. Now this is a little messy, but they're good once you get them done. And like I say, your Your dinners does not have to be Pinterest beautiful perfect. to be good, and your family will still love it. We're just tonight cooking back to the old school way of cooking. It don't have to be perfect to be good. And you don't have to go out and spend a fortune for it to be good. Got one more. Okay, let me wash my hands. Our oil's heating up. Test that oil and see if it's hot yet. Not quite, it's not there yet. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to use a spatula and we're going to put it up under your patty to pick it up with. And just place it down in that hot oil. And that way you can be more careful and not burn your fingers. Let me get them all in there. We're going to have to do 4 and then come back and do the other 2. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to let them get a real pretty golden brown before you even touch them. Don't touch them until you can check the edge of it and make sure it's a crispy golden brown is how you're wanting it. This is a great recipe that you can make using canned chicken. Okay, y'all can see right here how it's starting to get that pretty golden brown on it. Just a little bit more and we're going to flip them. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start flipping them. Ooh, look at that. That's what you're looking for right there. You just sort of like try to keep it as shaped. If it wants to come apart a little bit, just tack it back on there. Work with it. Don't let it fall apart. Now, if you did add your flour to them, they would be a little bit more binded together more, but we're trying to cut back on the carbs, so we use pork rinds. But I'm still getting them to stay together. This one right here is not wanting to. Oh, there it goes. Don't be scared. Just get it up under there and give it a good flipping. Flip, ever how you want to call it. Oh, and I can smell that cheddar cheese just melting in your chicken patty. That's going to be so good. Now we just got to leave them alone again and let that other side get that pretty golden brown. Okay, we're going to be laying them on this plate right here. And we're going to lay them on a paper towel so they can drain some of their oils off of them. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take this one out. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. Look at that. That's going to be a good fried chicken patty. Easy and simple, but delicious. Cheesy on the inside. We got some more to fry too. I got 2 more. So I got to get them put in there. Y'all never tried this with that canned chicken. Boy, you need to give it a try. It's a great way to use it. And it has a great taste. You want us to show you how to make fried chicken patties out of canned chicken? It's simple and easy. That's what tonight's recipe is. Okay, y'all, this is what our fried chicken patties turned out to look like. I wanted to show y'all what they look like up close so you can see them. And listen, they're crispy. Like I told you, you want to get that pretty crust on them. You want them crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Let me see if I can pick one up and show it to you, how it looks on the inside. Look at that. You can probably see some of the cheddar cheese all melted and how it's still tender on the inside. It's gonna be good, y'all. Okay, y'all, I hope you like our video on homemade fried chicken patties. If you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like our video. Thanks for watching.